Got it.
I don't got it, but at least the front is up.
Good, you got it.
I did.
A wheelie wheel.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Welcome back to Bixon Hobbies. Today, let's take a look at Shawn's low CG belly dragger on Capra Pro axles and see some running videos. Enjoy.
What? This is it? Yeah. You think?
I don't know. I saw that the video.
Oh no, it's not here.
Oh, is it for everybody?
I don't know. This is the starting point. This is where we start. Little wide.
Yeah, but you cleared that rock easy.
Yeah,
Straight Axle has a lot of tough time with that one.
I know.
You need to pull it in.
That's all the way in.
Looks like you need to cut the frame a little bit. The chassis.
I was thinking about that.
Yeah. Sticking out a little bit too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bumper. Woohoo!
But I'll try.
First time. Nice.
It's amazing.
Yeah, he's coming over that wall now. High ground.
I'm just trying to figure out which way to go. You go up and then down?
Dead turn around.
I actually came down the chute and then went this way.
I just can't get my passenger side around that lip.
I got into the hole once.
Like, tire keeps getting caught on my.
Yeah, so you gotta try to get as deep as you can on the left. Going down to the ledge. Your rear tire can get past that?
That one?
Sorry, son.
What, really?
That's
No,
that's
no,
not a good way to go.
You gotta go for it.
Alright, you first. You first.
trust the Magnum. Come on, brake. Back up, and then just come straight. Yeah. Oh.
That's one way to do it.
What is porals?
I've had no luck. I think you're just wasting your time filming.
Dang it! I spent all that battery.
That's how I feel. I'm just letting you know ahead of time.
I think you're optimistic about that. You got it.
I don't got it, but at least the front is up.
You got it.
I did.
A wheelie wheel.
Oh, nice. Oh. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching Vics on Hobbies.